back there. Don't even think about it. Where are we going, guys?
We are going to Whidbey Island.
What's happening at the cabin?
We're going to look at it getting painted. It was already painted and we're going to go look at it and then we're going to go to the beach.
We're checking out our paint job for the first time. So we're excited. Oh no, the kids are already stepping in paint.
Here, stand on the stairs, guys, and turn and smile. Stand on there. There you go. Cute.
How do you feel, babe?
I like it. It's a good white.
Just hold up some.
Yeah, it's a nice little shirt.
Do you want to go see our cabin? Should we go see Joe? Huh? Let's go. Let's go.
More Anna's color, more your color. I like the choice that you made on this color.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And it's pretty good.
Yeah, it looks...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is
You
good.
can't see, but there's some drywall repairs that need to be done.
Yeah.
There always is
I
on
was
these.
wondering if he was going to be able to flush that out. Oh, it's pretty decent, though.
Yeah, I mean, I saw it in the morning light, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's better than it did when we first coated mud. Anna, I like this color.
Okay, definitely looks white,
Yeah, but
right?
Well, look, you
Yeah.
can see up on the ceiling.
No, it looks good.
Yeah.
So Anna, you can see how different it is. So the trim
Oh, yeah.
Little pop.
Dude, I think this is a good choice.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
You're gonna like this because with
Me
the white
too.
trim, Anna, and white trim is timeless, so
Yeah.
it's just gonna work. And then you're gonna have a floor, thank you,
Yeah, the floor
and then you'll have a floor down.
Oh yeah, we should bring some flooring out.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Did you
Let's
wait
lay
for
it
your
out.
mom?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Dude, not at all.
So,
Kids are getting filthy down there. Oh, June. Oh, June. Don't do it, sister. Don't do it. Don't get paint all over your clothes. No. This is it, you guys. This is the paint color we picked. And it was very difficult. We were looking for the perfect white, but we wanted it to be warm, almost a sandy, beigey, gray white. And it's perfect. The color is Swiss Coffee by Benjamin Moore. Up against white, it'll look like that sandy, beigey gray, that color that we were looking for. But when you walk in, it feels like just a nice, soft white, and it's so good. I think it's gonna complement like our black windows really well, and black railings, and our black cabinets, and all that. So we're excited.
so yeah, texture got done Friday. He was in here Saturday priming, and then a week later he painted.
Yeah.
So he
that's
did
awesome.
leave all the masking on.
Hey, Mom, what button do you press?
Where your mom's calling you?
Oh, will you answer it?
Hello? Hey, where you at?
You haven't even left? You're not even on the ferry?
off the ferry.
Oh, good, okay. Well, we're at the cabin.
Do you know how to get to the cabin?
Is that your Nan? Are you so excited to see your Nan? Ooh. Ah. Did it scare you? Scared the baby and got some dust in my eye. Jordan's gonna get some of our hardwood floors so we can see what they look like inside. So he's gonna lay that out.
Literally right here.
Literally right there. And Hank is going to, what are you gonna do?
So my mom just got back from Cheland and she got me this Arrowhead, which I really want to find more of. So I've just been digging. Here, I'll show you. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Me and June have been digging, but we haven't found anything yet.
No?
We haven't found anything. I've only found something that looks like to be a bone.
Ooh, a bone?
It looks like it, but I can't find it anywhere. So this is my site, and I'm just going like this. Help me. Just digging. Whoa.
Wow.
I'm just digging and digging and digging. Cracking these open, looking for stuff.
That's so cool.
It's really fun. I found the tip of an arrowhead.
A tip of an arrowhead. Ooh, look at that. Very cool.
Yeah, Dad, I found the tip of an arrowhead.
Jeez. What'd you find, June?
It's gonna look wicked, dude.
So good.
It's gonna look so nice.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, should I like lay it out or what? I'm just gonna do a little piece here.
Yeah, do it like up against the wall in the corner. Perfect boy. Hi, angel face. Is that
Here's
your
our floor.
Yeah, things are really starting to
Check out our little floor piece, huh?
I like it.
Do you love it?
I like it. I like it.
We got high-end floors. We splurged.
It was worth it. Well, this is what I was picturing and nothing else came like this.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the food.
Mom, it's an arrowhead.
No way.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Let me see.
Look at this. Look at the point in it.
Dude, that is cool.
Look at the point in it, and that in the bottom right here, that's smooth. That could be where they put the. Seriously,
No, you're right.
this could be an arrowhead. It's an arrowhead.
Oh my gosh, she has her cat.
Who's that?
Oh.
I said when we get to the beach.
Did she eat?
Yeah, she ate some. Look at him. She ate some formula.
Oh. So we've taken all this stuff, all the plastic off of the windows, and now we have our hot water tanks, our refrigerator, and our dishwasher downstairs, and Jordan's gonna need to move that back 10 feet so we can call the garage door company and have them come install it. I guess they're ready to go. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go to the beach. Now we got 10 feet.
Yeah, so
For them
now
to
they're
install.
gonna come in, they're gonna put tracks,
Oh, for the
and then a garage door opener, and then a garage door.
Ooh, can we get a modern garage door opener? Like something slim and nice, or?
Dad, are you leaving?
They're expensive.
Oh, they are, okay. June, can I drive it? Nice, Hank. Okay, Hank's playing kayak today. Nice, Hank. Nice.
Sorry.
Who brings their kitten to the beach? Nanda.
You're getting it. I didn't want to, trust me.
My goggles so I can.
Run in and dive.
Ah.
Hi.
I'm gonna ask my friends over there if they want to.
You wanna go play with them?
I wanna meet them.
Here's the scene down here at the beach.
I'm filling my shoes full.
You're filling your shoe full of
I
what?
brought a cat to a beach before.
I know.
Here.
At the pool dudes.
So then if we're here,
What's your drink? Or what's your joke?
What do you call a seagull? Wait,
Can I give this to you?
why do seagulls fly over the bay?
She'll
Why?
give you this
Because if they flew over the sea,